Hello everyone. In previous session, we have completed concept on random variables. In this session, let us see some problems on random variables. See the given problem. The range of random variable x is 0, 1, 2. Given that p of x equal to 0 equal to 3c cube, p of x equal to 1 is 4c minus 10c square, p of x equal to 2 is equal to 5c minus 1. Then find the value of c, and next one is p of x less than 1, p of 1 less than x less than or equal to 2, and p of 0 less than x less than or equal to 3. Now see the solution of this. Given range of random variable x is 0, 1, 2. Given p of x equal to 0, 3c cube, p of x equal to 1, 4c minus 10c square, p of x equal to 2, 5c minus 1. To find the value c, we have sum of probabilities equal to 1. Sum of probabilities equal to 1. So this implies p of x equal to 0 plus p of x equal to 1 plus p of x equal to 2 equal to 1. So that is p of x equal to 0, 3c cube plus p of x equal to 1, 4c minus 10c square plus p of x equal to 2, 5c minus 1 equal to 1. This implies 3c cube minus 10c square plus 9c minus 2 equal to 0. Now, take it as f. 3c cube minus 10c square plus 9c minus 2 equal to 0. Now, by trial and error method, put c equal to 1. Then it is f of 1 equal to 3 minus 10 plus 9 minus 2, that equal to 0. So f of 1 equal to 0, therefore 1 is a root. Then this equation is third degree equation. That means there are 3 roots. One root is 1 here. Then remaining we have to find 2 roots. By using synthetic division, we can find the remaining 2 roots. By synthetic division, 3 minus 10, 9 minus 2. C value 1. So 0 here. 3. 1 into 3, 3 minus 7. 1 into minus 7, minus 7. So 9 minus 7, 2. 1 into 2, 2. So this is 0. Then this equation is 3c square minus 7c plus 2 equal to 0. Then doing factorization, 3c square minus 6c minus c plus 2 equal to 0. Then 3c into c minus 2 minus 1 into c minus 2 equal to 0. This implies c minus 2, 3c minus 1 equal to 0. Then c equal to 2, c equal to 1 by 3. Therefore, the values are 1, 2, 1 by 3. C values 1, 2, 1 by 3. So, which value satisfying the given probabilities of functions p of x equal to 0, p of x equal to 1, p of x equal to 2, we have to check that. The values of c, we have 1, 2, 1 by 3. Substitute these values in any one of p of x equal to 0, p of x equal to 1 and p of x equal to 2. So, put c equal to 1, p of x equal to 0, that is 3c cube 3. For any event, probability lies between 0 to 1. Then, here p of x equal to 0 is 3. So, which is not possible. Put c equal to 2. P of x equal to 0, 3c cube, that is 3 into 8, 24. It is also not possible. And put c equal to 1 by 3 in P of x equal to 0. That is 3 into c cube, that is 3 into 1 by 3 whole cube, 3 by 27, 1 by 9. It is less than 1. So it is possible. Therefore, the value of c satisfies 1 by 3. Therefore, c is equal to 1 by 3. And second, we have to find p of x less than 1. P of x less than 1. P of x less than 1, given random variable range x is 0, 1, 2. Then it is P of x equal to 0, that equal to 3c cube, and c value 1 by 3, then 3 into 1 by 3 whole cube, that is 1 by 9. Next, P of 1 less than x less than or equal to 2. Then this is equal to P of x equal to 2, 1 less than x less than or equal to 2, that is P of x equal to 2. P of x equal to 2 given here 5c minus 1, and c value is 1 by 3 we have. Then it is 5 by 3 minus 1, that equal to 2 by 3. And next one we have to find P of 0 less than x less than or equal to 3. Then it is P of x equal to 1 plus P of x equal to 2, given random variable range 0, 1, 2. Then satisfying this 0 less than x less than or equal to 3, then it is P of x equal to 1 plus P of x equal to 2. P of x equal to 1, 4c minus 10c square, plus P of x equal to 2, 5c minus 1. Put the value c equal to 1 by 3. Then it is by adding this we get 9c minus 10c square minus 1. 9 into 1 by 3 minus 10 into 1 by 9 minus 1. It is 3 minus 10 by 9 minus 1, that is 2 minus 10 by 9. 18 minus 10 by 9, that equal to 8 by 9. See the next problem. The range of random variable x is 1 to 3 and so on. And P of x equal to k is equal to c power k by k factorial. K equal to 1 to 3 and so on. Find the value of c and P of 0 less than x less than 3. See the solution of this. Range of random variable x is 1, 2, 3 so on. And given P of x equal to k, that equal to c power k by k factorial. K is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. Then put k equal to 1, we get P of x equal to 1, c by 1 factorial. Put k equal to 2, that is P of x equal to 2, c square by 2 factorial. Put k equal to 3, we get P of x equal to 3, c cube by 3 factorial, and so on. To find the value c, we have sum of probabilities equal to 1. Sum of probabilities is equal to 1. That is c by 1 factorial plus c square by 2 factorial plus c cube by 3 factorial plus and so on equal to 1. Adding 1 on both sides, 1 plus c by 1 factorial plus c square by 2 factorial plus c cube by 3 factorial plus and so on equal to 2. Then this is e to the power c equal to 2. Therefore, c equal to log 2 base e. And second we have to find P of 0 less than x less than 3. Then range of x is greater than 0 and less than 3. That is P of x equal to 1 plus P of x equal to 2. P of x equal to 1, c by 1 factorial, that is c, plus P of x equal to 2, c square by 2 factorial is 2. And c value is log 2 base e plus 1 by 2 into log 2 base e whole square. See the next problem. A random variable x has the following probability distribution. X equal to x and p of x equal to x given. X equal to x 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. P of x equal to x. P of x equal to x 0, 0. P of x equal to 1, k. P of x equal to 2, 2k. P of x equal to 3, 2k. P of x equal to 4, 3k. P of x equal to 5, k square. P of x equal to 6, 2k square. And P of x equal to 7, 7k square plus k. Then find k mean P of 0 less than x less than 5. See the solution of this. To find the value k, we have sum of probabilities is equal to 1. Sum of probabilities equal to 1. That is 0 plus k plus 2k plus 2k plus 3k plus k square plus 2k square plus 7k square plus k is equal to 1. That implies 7k square plus 2k square plus k square 10k square. K plus 2k 3k plus 2k 5k plus 3k 8k plus k 9k. Take plus 1 this side, then it is minus 1 equal to 0. Then 10k square plus 10k minus k minus 1 equal to 0. Take common 10k, it is k plus 1 minus 1 into k plus 1 equal to 0. Then 10k minus 1 into k plus 1 equal to 0. Then the values of k 1 by 10 and minus 1. Since k is positive, then the value of k is 1 by 10. And next we have to find mean. So mean mu is equal to sigma I xi into p of x is equal to xi. So this is equal to 0 into 0 plus 1 into k plus 2 into 2k plus 3 into 2k plus 4 into 3k plus 5 into k square plus 6 into 2k square plus 7 into 7k square plus k. That is equal to 0 plus k plus 4k plus 6k plus 12k plus 5k square plus 12k square plus 49k square plus 7k. By adding all these, we get 66k square plus 30k. Substitute the value k equal to 1 by 10, we get it is 66 into 1 by 100 plus 30 into 1 by 10. 0.66 plus 3. Then this value is equal to 3.66. And third we have to find p of 0 less than x less than 5. Then random variable x range greater than 0 less than 5. Those are p of x equal to 1 plus p of x equal to 2 plus p of x equal to 3 plus p of x equal to 4. Then these values p of x equal to 1 k, p of x equal to 2 2k, p of x equal to 3 2k plus p of x equal to 4 3k. By adding all these we get it is 8k and the value of k 1 by 10. Then it is 8 by 10, the value is 0.8. Come to the next problem. The probability distribution of a random variable x is given below. X of x and p of x equal to x. X equal to x, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. P of x equal to x. P of x equal to 1, k. P of x equal to 2, 2k. P of x equal to 3, 3k. P of x equal to 4, 4k. P of x equal to 5, 5k. Find the value of k and mean and variance of x. See the solution of this. First we have to find the value of k. So to find the value k, we have sum of probabilities is equal to 1. Sum of probabilities equal to 1. Those are k plus 2k plus 3k plus 4k plus 5k equal to 1. That implies k plus 2k, 3k plus 3k, 6k plus 4k, 10k plus 5k, 15k. 15k equal to 1. The value of k is 1 by 15. Next we have to find mean. So mean mu is equal to sigma I xi into p of x equal to xi. So that is equal to 1 into k plus 2 into 2k plus 3 into 3k plus 4 into 4k plus 5 into 5k. So this is k plus 4k plus 9k plus 16k plus 25k. So by adding all these, k plus 4k, 5k plus 9k, 14k plus 16k, 30k plus 25k, 55k. And substitute the value k equal to 1 by 15. Then we get it is 11 by 3. Next we have to find variance sigma square. Variance sigma square. So that is equal to sigma I xi square into p of x equal to xi minus mu square. Then this is 1 into k plus 4 into 2k plus 9 into 3k plus 16 into 4k plus 25 into 5k minus mu square, that is 11 by 3 whole square. So adding then x 1 into k plus 4 into 2k 8k plus 9 into 3k 27k plus 16 into 4k, that is 64k plus 25 into 5k 125k minus 11 by 3 whole square is 121 by 9. By adding all these, we get 225k minus 121 by 9. Substitute the value k is 1 by 15 minus 121 by 9. So this is 15 minus 121 by 9. Then by taking LCM, we get 135 minus 121 by 9. So this value is 14 by 9. So variance sigma square is equal to 14 by 9.